back to another edition of Girls in Boxes. Today we got a mystery box. I think is the replacement for the Groot because they messed up the Groot last time. If we get I can show you what happened to Groot last time. There we go, that's what happened to Groot loss in the badge. Stuck to that. So, might be a way to get it off, might be not. But, I contacted the company and they sent me out. I think this is the new one, it's the replacement, so. So, let's get into it and let's unbox a box. Let's see if it's, and by looking at it, if we just get it out, it's gone the same. There we go, guys, it's gone the same, look. See? I do like him, but it's gone the same again. They need to check when they get them. This is ridiculous. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll have to email them again and see what's going on. If not, I'll have to try and find Entertainment Earth to find their number and see if I can find their number on their website. If not, I have to find an email and email them and tell them about the logo on this one. Is keep going. I ordered one, I got the other one, I got a replacement, both the same. So Savvy need to check their boxes. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, more will be on its way, and don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that share button, and comment if you like to, and that's anything you want. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.